In this video I'm going to show you some takeoffs where there is no room for error. They're challenging, tight, with turns, downhill, short. Hope you guys enjoy. This is Dogleg Gravel Bar in Washington, Still River. We're taking off towards the canyon. It's a short takeoff with a sharp left 90-degree turn. Same takeoff, you can see the instrument panel. You can see how slow the airplane is airborne, and also the input have 30 degrees of flaps, of course full power, full pitch, and a little bit of opposite aileron and inside rudder, and by doing that I don't need to lower the wings so much. Jughead with his Cessna 170, Skyjet River, short gravel bars, a little bit rocky. You need to be on the spot because it is kind of narrow and short. This was even shorter and it touches the water a bit. This gravel bar is very rough at the beginning, so it's not usable to get some speed. Then full power and I'm off. It's also kind of short and narrow. Contrary to what you would think, downhill takeoffs can be more challenging and dangerous. Things happen too quickly, you are out of ground effect quickly. In case of a tail wheel like this one, Highlander, taking off, when you start your roll, you don't see nothing because it's downhill. So that's also difficult. At the time when you pull and rotate, you have to be careful not to hit the tail. So you have to take many considerations on downhill takeoffs. Downhill takeoffs are nice because they give you speed quicker, but definitely more challenging. This is Soldier Bar in Idaho, where the first half of the strip is almost unusable because it's so bumpy, has so many water bars that you're just rolling to get to the spot where you can hit full power. and while you're kind of slow rolling it, you have to be very careful, especially on a track like the Cessna 182, not to hit the propeller in one of those bumps. Flats in Oregon, beautiful strip by the river. Here the airplane is heavily loaded because we're on our way to Idaho, so use some ground effect after being on the air and then start the climb. Again, Chukar Flats, this is the view from the cockpit. You can see it's kind of a long rollout for climbing because we're heavily loaded and it's hot out there. Patriot in Montana. We have high density altitude, short strip, and obstacles at the end of the strip. With the high density altitude and the obstacles at the end, this is the kind of strip that can get you if you come heavily loaded or try to take off on a hot day. Also, right after the obstacles, there is a lake with cold air, so it's kind of a sinker. This is Sirena Station in Corcovado National Park, Costa Rica. It is rooted, very narrow. You have to be on the track all the way until you lift off, or else you can get off the airstrip and into the grass. Airport is in Falls City, Washington. The challenge here is very narrow, and this airplane, the CJ6 Nanshan, has a long nose, so it's hard to see. They open the canopy to be able to see better, and it's a little bumpy, so you have to be really concentrated and careful on this takeoff. Here taking off in Darlington, Washington. Hot day, short strip for the CJ6. So as soon as I'm in the air, I retract the gear and get into ground effect for a little bit to get some free performance and then climb over the obstacles. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.